Hello everyone and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today, as I promised, I will show you how to convert OnePlus 9R Chinese version to global version, which is the currently only Indian version. By saying the global version, we mean the OxygenOS. Currently this device runs ColorOS, which is also a good one, and I have covered all the features of this OS in my previous videos. But now I will show you how to convert it to global version. Let's see that it's currently running ColorOS and not the, as you can see, it's the OnePlus 9R, ColorOS version 11.12 and Android version is 11. Let's get started. So we are continuing installation of the OxygenOS to Chinese version of 9R. As you can see, it has a, I showed you previously, it's a ColorOS. Before we begin, we need to connect our USB Type-C cable to the, in my case, full laptop, if you are using desktop machine, to that. Then you need to download this link that I left in the below description of the video. After downloading this, you need to extract and you will get this folder. Opening this folder and you will see these programs. If you are running Windows 7 machine, you need to open this one. Other than that, Windows 10, you need to open this one. Run as administrator, which is the preferred way for the Windows 10 machines. And wait until it will show the preparing, and then main window for the program will be opened. From here you need to select the others. In case if it's factory, customer, others, you should select others and click next. You will see the main window of the flasher. From target there is only one option. Choose India and hit start. At this point we are going to do the rest in the phone. First of all, we need to turn off the phone. Okay, shutting down the phone, and here we need to keep holding this volume down and volume up button together, and then connect the cable at the same time. Let me do it real quick because it's impossible to hold camera and do that at the same time. So as you see, I have connected. Again, I'm repeating, you need to hold volume down, volume up buttons and connect your cable. After this, you will see the progress happening here. Currently, the MSM download tool is flashing the OxygenOS to OnePlus 9R. At this point, it doesn't matter if your bootloader unlocked or not. This EDL mode will do it automatically even though it's not unlocked. So we need to wait until this process will be finished. So we are getting closer to the end of the green line. At this point, as you can see, phone is connected to the laptop. And let's see, after this green line will reach to the end, phone will automatically reboot and we will have the Oxygen version of the OS for OnePlus 9R. So we are seeing the progress of downloading. It's now going because the first phase is completed and now it goes for the partial flashing of the firmware. At this moment, phone is always keeping the black screen. It's in EDL mode. So the other parts are going as well. Ready to complete. Yes. Now it's done. As you can see, phone automatically reboots. And it will reboot to the OnePlus OxygenOS. As you can see, it takes some time because this is very first boot. And in the meantime, you will have this screen on the flasher, all green, download complete, all is fine. So phone is booting up the OxygenOS. I can now disconnect it from the PC and see the rest is happening here. We had the vibration sound. I think it means we already booting up. Yes, we got it. And as you can see, we see the hello and click start, agree, skip at this point, set up offline. Next. We don't need this. Accept. Skip. Screen lock skip at this point. We are okay. The navigation gestures, we want that. So, as you can see, we successfully flashed our 9R to global version of the OnePlus software. Let's see and make sure that we have about 9R. As you can see, we have device name 9R, Android version 11, OxygenOS 11.2, model LE2100, which is Chinese model. Always remember the models ending the 00, it's Chinese models. And that was with the OnePlus 7T. I remember it was 1900. Okay, and as you can see, all the storage information, CPU. One more thing to mention, guys, after you will flash your Chinese version to the global Oxygen version, you will have always the OTA updates. As you can see, I have connected to the Wi-Fi and we got the system update now, 11.2.11. As you can see, it's checking for updates. Yeah, and there is a 11.2.11 LE29, 360 megabytes. And we can hit download and install. So at this point you are not losing anything. So after you will have the Oxygen version of the OS installed on your Chinese 9R, you will get and receive all the updates that original Indian phones were receiving. So this is very important thing, and that's why I wanted to mention. And also you are getting here what was the corrected and fixed within these updates. Stay well, stay cool, guys. See you in the next one.